The storm so big, it's difficult to grasp. Forecasters say that 100 million people could be hit. That's 1/3 of the country's population. In Dallas, it closed schools. In Chicago, it closed major traffic arteries like Lakeshore Drive. In Oklahoma, the Tulsa World newspaper posted a notice on its website saying, quote, "Due to extreme weather conditions, today's paper was delivered, but it's buried by several inches of snow." To dig out our news, here's Chris Bury in Chicago.
The great blizzard has begun its 2,000-mile march of misery. The storm is one for the ages, so big you can see it from space. A true monster stretching from the southwest across the middle of the country and up into New England. Blizzard warnings are up in 9 states.
What gives you the best sense of the scope of this?
I think just the size of it when you see it from space. Satellite pictures will show you that this thing is huge. Just the tail of the clouds and that beautiful comma shape. When you see it from above, gorgeous. When you're below it, it's like this, a real problem.
The storm hit first in Texas and Oklahoma, smashing the all-time record for snowfall in Oklahoma City. It fell so fast, more than 2 inches an hour, plows couldn't keep up. Ferocious winds made it worse, according to ABC's Ryan Owens.
Across so much of the country, it's not just the snow, but the howling winds. Here in Oklahoma City, winds have gusted in excess of 60 miles an hour, creating near whiteout conditions and a miserable wind chill of up to 30 degrees below zero.
In Tulsa, the heaviest snowfall in history, more than 13 inches. So bad the local newspaper, the Tulsa World, announced for the first time ever it would not print tomorrow. By tonight, the monster had roared into the Midwest, challenging even the hardy souls of Chicago.
It is the way it is. We live up north. You have to expect weather like this on occasion. So, you know, gotta grin and bear. It's kind of a fun challenge, don't you think?
Right now, it's really biting. It's kind of making me numb. I'm kind of having a hard time talking right now, too. But I mean, as long as I keep buttoning up and everything, I'm pretty good. But my lips right now are like numb.
The leading edge of the blizzard arrived just in time for the evening rush hour. Late tonight, traffic was still inching along Lakeshore Drive, stranding commuters for hours.
Every Chicago resident should brace for a storm that will be remembered for a long time.
A storm expected to drop at least 20 inches of snow on the city by the time it ends tomorrow. Wind gusts here could top 60 miles an hour. With 3 to 4 inches of snow falling every hour, Chicago deployed its entire snow fighting team, 400 plows and trucks.
Washington Park got a stalled motorist.
At this command center, officials from every city department track the storm live from more than 1,000 cameras, sensors in the streets, and GPS devices on every single snowplow.
If you find a trouble spot.
If we find a trouble spot or they take a call of an accident on Lakeshore Drive and there's a camera near there, we can pop on that camera, view the accident, tell the tow truck driver, and we need 2 tow trucks, not 1, or we need an ambulance and the police aren't there yet. We can get a visual look at that.